Today we are going to start with the exercises of Rama to the rescue. Let's begin. So these are the latest discussed questions and you can see match the column. Work in pairs to match the words in column A with the meaning in column B. You need to match the words with their meaning. And you are going to check your answers with the teacher, so we need to find out the correct answer for this. So wonder means a feeling of surprise, so our answer will be F. Number 2, yard is an area outside a building. In the lesson we have done that. Coming to the next, chatter is to talk for a long time about unimportant things. Coming to next, number 4, instead means in place of someone or something. Number 5, closely means very carefully you are doing something. After that, perhaps will be matched with maybe. So these are the words with their meanings, we match them. Now coming to the next questions. Now these are the fill in the blanks. Fill in the boxes with suitable words as you read the story. So you need to write down or you need to fill these words as per the story that you read, that is Rama to the rescue. So first we need to find out the main characters. Who are the main characters? Only one name we knew, that is Rama. Other are men, wife, and third one was Rama. As per that, lesson name is given as Rama. Okay, coming to the next, sitting. What is the setting of this particular lesson? The setting is in a village. The setting means where the story occurred. It happened in a village. Okay. Now coming to the next, other characters. Who are the other characters? One more character was there, thief. Coming to the next, what was the problem that they were facing? The problem was that a thief was there in the home. Okay, the thief was there in the home. Okay, coming to the next, what is the solution to that? Solution was they began calling out the name of village Kotwal, Rama. They called out the name Rama. Rama, and he rescued them, or he caught the thief. That will be your answer. Coming to the next question we have, you can see here. Let us think and reflect, and these questions we need to think upon and reflect upon those. So read the following lines and then answer the questions that follow. These lines are already given in the lesson. Man, what's the matter? What are you looking at? Why? Shh, listen. Man, somebody is trying to get in. Wife, I think he has gotten. The noise has stopped. So this was the complete passage that is given from the text. As per that, you need to give answer to the questions. So question number 1, what makes the man say first line? Why was the man saying that first line? Because he was asking what's the matter, what are you looking at? The reason was that he noticed his wife's behavior, that she was giving attention to something. Okay, that's why this is the matter that man says the first line. When someone is giving attention to something, that person would ask us what's the matter. Question number 2, choose the correct option. The wife says shh, listen. What does the word shh mean here? What does it mean? That means we are also using it in our daily life. Be silent. So this is our answer. Coming to the next, how can you tell that the wife was listening carefully? How can you tell that she was listening very carefully? She was listening very carefully because she asked her husband to be quiet and listen something that she was also listening at that time, and that is why we can say that she was listening to that very carefully and asked her husband to listen to that. Now question number 2, that is Rama, the village Kotwal, ran to the house from which he heard his name being called. Rama. Oh, oh, some thief has dug his way into the house. We know the scene in the lesson. Already we discussed it. Now, first question. Fill in the blank with the correct word from the given lines. The villagers caught the thief and took him to the. The villagers caught the thief and took him to the. What will be the answer? If you are going to catch a thief, you are going to send him or take him to the police station. Coming to the second answer now. Choose the correct option. What do the words oh show here? So what is it showing? It is showing here the surprise. It is showing us surprise. Okay, coming to the next. How can you tell that the Kotwal was good at his job? How did you know that? That means he was having a great observance power. He was observing that someone has entered the house from where his name was being called out. He understood and he was quick to take action to go inside the house and catch the thief. Okay, due to this reason, we can easily call him that Kotwal was good at his job. Okay, coming to the next question. Give one reason why the man and his wife were not able to fall asleep. Simple, because they were listening to a noise. So, what will be the answer? The man and his wife were not able to fall asleep because a thief had dug out his way or entered their house for the purpose of robbery. Question number 3. What did the thief wish would happen? Did it happen? What was the wish of the thief? We had done the lesson at the time. We understood what was his wish. Okay, the thief wished that the couple would talk about their uh, jewelry, about the wealth that they had, but they were not talking about that. They were talking about something else. So it didn't happen. Okay, as per his wish, that wish was not fulfilled. They were discussing about the name of the child and what would they call the child whenever the child was in the yard or in the street. How did the man and his wife? Question number 4. How did the man and his wife get help from the Kotwal? How did they get the help? Rama. When they called out the name Rama, Rama listened to his name. He came towards the house. He got to know that someone had dug out his way into the house, and that's why he came inside the house and catch the thief. So in this way, he helped them out. Next is, do you think cleverness can help us solve our problem? So as per the moral of the story, do you think that cleverness would always help you in order to solve any kind of problem? So yes, it is very clear from the story itself that husband's cleverness helped them to solve their problem. And why do you say so? Directly we will give evidence from the story that the man used his wits and he solved his problem, and the thief was caught by the Kotwal. Now coming to the next question, let us learn. So these are the question, you can see here some highlighted words. I'm, it's, there. So these are the short, you can say, when we are using them in the pronunciation in speaking, we are going to pronounce them in a short way. So these are the short forms that we are using in English, and we need to fill this exercise using the short forms. Now write the full words with the missing letter. Okay, dash, feeling so sleep, dash, feeling so sleepy. So what will be the answer here? I am feeling, or you are, any type of sentence can be made. I am feeling so sleepy. Number next is, it's a thief. It's a thief. We are using apostrophe here. Then they are awake. They are, and this is apostrophe that we are using in order to make the letters short. We should understand it. Now the next question we will do in the next class. Thank you.